She's done. Yes. But she fought me to the bitter end. I tell for you. Oh, this thing wanted to give up. But we didn't let it. We persevered. We struggled through. Right to the bitter end. Getting the sound post in. What a piece of... Woo! It's in. It works. I just dabbed a little color onto those spots there so that they don't... You know, it's a 20-foot base, okay? Looks good from 20 feet away. Heck, maybe even 10 feet away it might look good, right? Yes. It's been strung up for a little bit here. I got to give it all a good clean up here now. There's fingerprints everywhere and little bits of this and that I want to clean up. But let's see if we can do this without totally knocking anything over here. I am no bass player, but I can make enough noise on it to get around a little bit. There she is, folks. The final part. It's a while later, okay? Yeah, I know. But it's done. Ready to go home. This was a big one. Customer's going to be happy to have his bass back and that his bass is not, shot. And now it works. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more of this kind of stuff, buy a bass and send it to me. Just kidding. These things are like hen's teeth. They're hard to find here. I just don't come across them. Ever. The occasional one changes hands, and it's never into mine. I'd love to have one, but such is the way of it. Anyway, hit that subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Might help me out a little bit. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.